Hello and welcome to Digit, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the boAt Aavante Bar 1700D. So as you can see, this is the case that it comes in. It's a 2.1 channel soundbar. So there'll be a woofer which is on the top part and there'll be a soundbar at the bottom part. So let's just go ahead and open this box up. Alright, so inside the cardboard box there's another box, and this box, as you can see, it has the photograph of the soundbar and the subwoofer, and it has some specifications which I'll read out. 120 watts of high definition soundbar with wired subwoofer. So this is a 120 watt soundbar, so it will be quite loud. Sleek design with premium finish. It offers Dolby Digital and Dolby Digital Plus. Entertainment EQ modes, music, movies, news and 3D. 2.1 channel captivating sound. Multiple connectivity modes. There's USB, there's optical, there's aux, HDMI, ARC and Bluetooth version 5.0. So it's important to note that it does have HDMI, ARC. Easy access soundbar controls, and it comes with a remote control. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this. So this is the subwoofer right here. I'll remove that plastic covering. It's got speaker on the side. It's a wooden box. This is the soundbar. Premium soundbar, as you can see, quite large. It's protected with some plastic. So that's opened up. Let's see what else you get. So also in the box you get this plastic bag which contains everything else. I'll just open it out. So you get a remote control. That's the boAt remote control that you get. You require two AAA batteries to run the remote control. There is a 3.5 mm audio cable. This is a 1-year warranty card. Some boAt documents. This is the user manual for this particular soundbar. Keep that there. This is for if you want to wall mount it, and you have some screws. Alright, so there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the boAt Aavante Bar or 1700D. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.